How to mulch rhubarb for winter. Rhubarb is a leafy perennial plant that lives for many years with the right care. The plant does best with spring and summer plantings and a full season of growth, but survives even cold winters for regrowth in spring. The University of Minnesota Extension notes that rhubarb thrives down to U.S. Department of Agriculture growing Zone 4 and may survive in Zone 3. Like all vegetable plants, rhubarb requires bright sun, quick drainage and adequate nutrition. As a hardy perennial, it also requires some winter protection through mulch and other coverings. Things you will need: scissors/pruning shears, organic mulch, blankets. Harvest rhubarb through midsummer, then allow the plants to grow foliage for energy absorption. Cut off any late summer flower stalks because these waste plant resources. Mulch the rhubarb plot after the first frost of the season, when temperatures drop to 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the foliage dies, cover the crowns with 2 to 3 inches of straw, wood chips, bark or dried leaves for protection. Lay landscape blankets on top of the mulch in zones 3 and 4 for additional cold protection. Remove 1 to 2 inches of mulch in spring. Mix the remaining mulch into the soil around the plants for additional nutrition and soil drainage. Put the plants back on their spring and summer water and nutrition schedules for continued growth. Tips. Warnings. The best rhubarb harvests start in the plant's second and third seasons. Rhubarb stalks grow from 12 inches tall to 2 feet depending on cultivar.
Rock-a-bye baby on the treetop.